Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making lemon pepper chicken wings. These were super easy to make and so delicious. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's get into the video. Don't play with it, don't be the size. Still not. To start off, we'll be seasoning our chicken. I am using Kinder's The Blend and Woodfired Garlic. When I tell you guys I am obsessed with Kinder's seasonings lately, I use on everything, but I just add those to my chicken. I also add an onion powder, paprika, and I'm adding in some mustard. I never measure out my mustards. I just kind of keep squeezing it until I get the amount that I feel like is enough. I will be leaving the exact measurements of everything else I used down below in the description box as always. This is about 4 pounds of chicken. Just make sure you give it a really good mix. Make sure all the seasoning is fully incorporated into the chicken. And now I'm adding in cornstarch. This is what makes the chicken super crispy. Do not miss out on the cornstarch. You really do need it to get that golden brown crispy chicken. If you are enjoying the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I really do appreciate all the love. Once your oil heats up, we are going to drop in our chicken. We are frying the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes first. Make sure your heat is on medium-high heat and not on high. This is the key to get that perfect chicken. Because if your heat is on high and you drop in your chicken, it will just burn on the outside but still be fully raw on the inside. And we do not want that. But after 8 to 10 minutes, you want to take out the chicken. You want to set it aside and let it cool down before we drop it back in. This is what gives it that golden brown color. We are going to be double frying it. Now I'm just frying my second batch and just repeating the same process. Once your second batch of chicken is done, you want to crank the heat up to high. Now you want it on high because we are double frying it, and this is what gives the nice golden color that we are looking for, and this makes it super crispy. Do not miss out on this part. Make sure you double fry the chicken. After 3 to 5 minutes, your chicken should be looking like this. Golden brown and crispy. It looks amazing. This is what you're looking for. Your chicken should be looking like this. And let me know down below in the comment section, what is your favorite wings flavor? Like, what do you usually order when you get wings? Is it lemon pepper, barbecue, buffalo? Let me know down below in the comment section. I usually go for mango habanero, but these were fire. Now to work on our sauce, we need about 1.5 sticks of butter. That is salted butter. To it, I'm adding in some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I'm adding in my lemon pepper seasoning. This is Lawry's. I could not find Kinder's lemon pepper seasoning anywhere. It was literally sold out, but it's okay. This still turned out amazing. After you get that, turn off your heat and add in your chicken. You can't just get a bowl and just pour the sauce in, but this was easier for me. Now I'm just shaking it and make sure each wing has enough sauce and all that good stuff. And that is it. Look how good this looks. These were amazing. I served mine with some homemade ranch. The recipe will be down below. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.